we are seeing seller's entry from this level. Price went down, but again it went up because of buyers at this area. And here also the price went down and it went up because of buyers. And here also the buyers entered, but again they rejected some sellers. So in this body we are seeing a bullish candle. So the candle will form the, this is a bearish candle, and the candle will form like this. And we sometimes we can't understand the buyer's entry and seller's entry in the graph chart. That's why we need to apply the candlesticks. We need to see the candlestick to know what is happening in the market. And if you convert it into the candlestick chart, I will show you. Okay, here if you convert it into the candlestick chart, then you will come to know what is happening in the market. Okay, we are seeing a seller's entry here. There are some sellers, and here we are seeing a strong seller's entry. The strong seller's entry, and the candle closing point is at the seller's area. So the candle is showing us the sellers are interested in the market because we are seeing very strong seller's entry, and the candle closing point is at the seller's area. The candle closing point is showing us the sellers will enter into the market. There are more chance to enter into the market sellers because of this closing point, because of this seller's entry. The seller's entry and the buyer's entry again, but the candle closing point is at the seller's area. This is the seller's area because we are seeing a seller's entry in this candle from this level. The candle closing point is at the seller's area. So there are chance to enter sellers again. So again it rejected from buyers. The buyers tried, again the buyers tried, but again the candle closed at the seller's area. It means again there is a chance to enter sellers. If the candle closed at the buyer's area like this, there is a chance to enter buyers like this. But the candle closing point is at the seller's area. So again we can expect a seller's entry. So if we want to know what is happening in the market, we need to see the candlestick. If you see the candlestick, then you can know the market movement easily. The candlestick will help you to know what is happening in the market and to predict the market, to analyze the market. So we can't analyze the market on graph chart. We need to see candlestick to know what is happening in the market. This candlestick is showing us the market wants to reverse. This candlestick is showing us the sellers are active in the market. Again the seller's entry, and buyers are here, sellers are here. The closing point is here. We don't know if there is a seller or buyer. We don't know actually. We know buyers are here, we know sellers are here. We can't decide, we can't go with buyers, we can't go with sellers here from this level because we don't know whether there is seller or buyer. But still there is a gap. This is a seller's entry, so there is a chance to fill up this gap. This is a buyer's entry, we can go with buyers confidently. So if there is any indecision market, we can't go with buyers and we can't go with sellers at this type of situation. So if you see the candlestick chart, then you will come to know where is the buyer's area and where the seller's area. The buyer's area is called support level. The seller's area is called a resistance level. Here, from this level we are seeing a buyer's entry. This is a support level. This area is a support level. Whenever the market comes to this level, the buyers will enter at any time. There is no particular time to enter. They will enter at any time. And this is a seller's area. This is a seller's area, a resistance level. There is a chance to enter sellers at any time. They tried but failed because of these strong buyers. Again, they tried because of these weak buyers. This is a seller's area. This is a weak buyer's entry. That's why again sellers entered. So this is a resistance level. The resistance level is nothing but the seller's area. and I will show you what is the support level and what is the resistance level. 1 minute. Okay, here. Okay, here I will show you the SNR levels here. Okay, a seller's area means resistance level, support level, resistance level, resistance level, resistance level, support level, support level, resistance, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, again a support, resistance, support. Okay, these all levels are support and resistance levels. These all levels are support and resistance level. The sellers entered from this level. We are seeing a seller's entry from this level. This is a support. The seller's entry from this level. The buyer's entry from this level. Again a seller's entry. Again a buyer's entry. Again a seller's entry. Buyer's entry. Seller's entry. Buyer's entry. Seller's entry. Buyer's entry. Sellers. Buyers. Sellers. Buyers. Sellers. Buyers. Sellers. Buyers. Sellers. Buyers. Sellers. Buyers. Okay. So these are the support levels because we are seeing a buyer's entry from this level. These are the resistance levels because we are seeing seller's entry from this level. So whenever the market comes to this level, you can go with sellers. But this is a resistance level, but we don't know if the market will reverse or not. Sometimes the market will respect resistance level, sometimes it doesn't respect. Like this, and like this, like this, and like this. Sometimes it will respect, sometimes it doesn't respect. Sometimes the market will respect the resistance level, sometimes it doesn't respect the SNR levels. Can't hear you, sir. Can you hear my voice clearly, everyone? Is there any problem with my voice?
No, sir.
No.
No.
Your voice is clear.
Okay, very good.
Yeah, your voice is clear.
Voice is clear, sir.
Okay, very good. Okay, I will continue.
Very clear.
Okay, mute your mics, everyone. Okay, so here these all levels are support and resistance levels, but we don't know which level the market will respect. We don't know exactly because this is also a support level, this is also a support level, this is also resistance, 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 support, support. Here the market didn't respect this buyer's entry here, and here it respected, and here it didn't, here also, and here also. So sometimes the market will respect, sometimes it doesn't respect. We don't know exactly where the market will respect. To know the market, which level the market will respect, we need to know the right SNR points, the correct support and resistance level points. All are SNR levels, but all are not. We can't trust all SNR levels. We can trust only few SNR levels. I will show you how to identify those SNR levels now. So there is a level, but it reversed in the middle of the trend. Level. Okay. So if you observe the market here, if you observe this market, a reversal point without touching this level, the market reversed. Again, it closed below the level with rejection. Again, it rejected without closing here. It reversed directly. So we can't trade. Here there is a support level, again a support level, again a support level from the same level, again a support level, again a support level. So we are seeing the market is mostly the market is respecting this level. Most of the time the market is respecting this level. Only this level in this chart. Here the market is respecting. It rejected but we can't place. Here the market didn't respect. Here also. Here it respected. Here also it respected. Here also. Here we don't know. So sometimes the market will reverse. Sometimes because of this strong candle, it will go up to. So we can't trust this level. And here sometimes it will reverse, sometimes it will continue. We can't trust this level. But if you see this level, the market is reversing mostly. It reversed, again it reversed, again it reversed, again. It didn't touch this level. It touched this level, it reversed without closing the point here. And we don't know on the right side. So here, if you see this market, it respected first time, second time, third time, fourth time, fifth time. In the 5 times, it respecting this level 100% time, right? The market is respecting this level 100% of the time because there is no breakout or there is no bearish candle at this area. The market closed here, it reversed directly without any breakout. But here there is a level, it reversed without touching this level. Sometimes it will reverse below the levels, below the previous levels, but we can't trade because still there is a gap. We can't expect the market will reverse or not. But here we can expect a reversal. Whenever if the market closed here like this, then you can easily place a higher option without any doubt because you know the market is respecting this level. You know this is a strong reversal point, a strong support level. This is a strong support level. If the candle closed here like this, or if the candle closed here, like this, then you will place higher option directly by observing this level because this is a strong level, very strong support level. This is also a level, but we don't know if the market will reverse or not. This is also a level, but we don't know. Sometimes it will go up, sometimes it will go down. But here it will definitely respect this level because the market is respecting. We are seeing the market is respecting this level. If the candle closed here like this, or if the candle closed here like this, then we can place our trade confidently because we know this is a strong level. The market is respecting this level. And here I will show you. There are some levels. But breakout, here also breakout. So sometimes the market reversed here. It didn't reverse directly without any doubt because you know this is a strong support level. This is a strong support level. You can trust it because you are seeing the market is respecting this level. So and okay, a seller's area, a resistance level. Okay, a seller's entry, again a seller's entry, again a seller's entry. So if you see these seller's entries continuously from the same level, it means the market is respecting this level. Whenever the market closed here, you will place your trade a lower option confidently because you know this is a strong seller's area. Again it reversed because this is a strong seller's area. There is no breakout to go with buyers or to go with sellers like this. There is no breakout means we can continuously go with buyers and sellers at these areas because these are the strong levels, strong resistance level here. in this downtrend, and here a strong support level, because the market is respecting this level. And I will show you now how to identify these type of strong levels in the market, how to draw the strong levels in the market. I will show you now. The strong levels, you can trust the strong levels, you can place your trades with confidence. You will get mostly ITM if you place your trade at the strong levels. Sometimes you will lose because there is no 100% sure, but you will get more than 90% win ratio if you place your trade at the strong levels. And I will show you how to draw the strong levels. And this is 1 minute chart. You can draw the strong levels on 5 minute chart too. There is no difference. You can draw the strong levels on 1 hour, 1 day chart too. There is no difference. Okay, I will show you in 1 minute. So if you want to draw a strong level, you need to go, okay, 1 minute. Okay, so if you want to draw a strong level, you need to go with past history. In the past history, near to this price bar. Okay, this is a price bar. I will show you here. This is a price bar. We are seeing a price bar, price movement here. Near to this price bar, if you go in the past history, then you can easily draw the strong level, because you need to check which level the market is respecting mostly. Okay, near to this price bar, I will try to go. I think there is no chance here. Okay, I'll show you in this pair. Okay, this is a price bar. This is a price bar. We need to go in the okay, this is a price bar. Okay, a price bar. Okay, I will change to 5 minute. Here. Okay, the level is here. Okay, the price bar is here. I'm going to draw some levels here. A reversal point. Again a reversal point. A reversal point. Here also a reversal, reversal, reversal. Okay, here also a reversal point. And here, yeah, there is a reversal point here. Yeah, there is a reversal point here, and here also, and here also. So we should check these levels first. Okay, this level. Yeah, there is a reversal, again a reversal, again a reversal, reversal, no reversal, 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 reversal. Here also there are some reversals. So I will draw one more line here. Yeah, this level. The market is respecting this level. So we will check in the. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, there is a level here and here. Okay, there is a level here. Yeah, we should check these levels first. I will check these levels. If the levels are strong, or if the levels are respecting the level, mostly the market is respecting this level, this line mostly, and here also it reversed, didn't reverse breakout. After breakout too, it didn't reverse. Okay, here it reversed, and here also. Okay, it reversed. Okay, this level is a strong level. Here also, this level, the market is respecting this level mostly, not this level. This level is working, sometimes it is not working, sometimes it is working, sometimes it is not working, but this level, the market is respecting this level mostly, so we can trust this level. You can see here also, it reversed, it got support. So we can't trust these levels. These are the strong level here also, but this is not a strong level. Sometimes it is respecting, sometimes it is not respecting. Okay, this level, the market is respecting mostly this level, because a reversal point rejected, a reversal point again here. Okay, a reversal point, fake breakout, reversal, fake breakouts, reversal. Here also there are some reversals. So the market is respecting this level mostly. The market is reversing at this level mostly, because this is a strong level. We can trust this level. Okay, in this pair near to this price bar, we are seeing a strong level. This is a low value market, and this is a high value market. But the market is respecting this level. Whenever the market come to this level, if the market closed at this area, we can go with buyers. If the market come to this level, if the market closed at this area, we can go with buyers. If the market break again, if the market come to this level, we can go with sellers, because this is a strong level, strong SNR level, because the market is respecting this level mostly, a very strong level. Most of the time the market reversed from this level, so we can trust this level. We can trade on this level only, because this is a strong SNR level. We can trust, because the market is respecting. It means if we trade on this level, we will get ITM easily. Most of the time we will get ITM if you trade on this level. Not in the present market, you can trade on these levels in the future too, because from the past 2 hours or 3 hours, the market is respecting this level. I will show you.
Sir,
Yes.
why there are two lines? You draw two lines on that. What
Because
is the
we
reason why?
because we can't draw the SNR level with one line, because the level is a area. Okay, the support and resistance level is an area. We need to draw two levels, the entire area. We need to draw the entire area. Okay,
Okay, sir.
clear?
And
We
what
can't
is
draw
the
with one single line.
Okay, and what is the specification? Means you have put in the gap. So how you determine how much gap we have to between these two levels?
There is no specific gap to draw. Okay, actually I have drawn this line, right? This line only, closing point of this candle only. Okay, I have drawn only this line, but by observing this level, there are some closing points here, right? And here also there are some closing points. Here also there is a closing point here. That's why again I have drawn this line, right? Okay, you can see a closing point, the closing point of this candle and the closing point of this candle. Okay, I have drawn these two lines and have adjusted these lines too. Okay, I have adjusted according to the market. And wait, I will show you here. Okay, here. Okay, it is okay. Here also it is okay. It is okay. You don't need to adjust this level. If you want to adjust, you can adjust. Okay. If you want to adjust, you can adjust like this. Okay. To this point. Okay. Now it is okay. Clear?
Yes.
You can adjust the level also according to the market. Okay. The SNR level is an area. We can't draw the SNR level with one single line. Okay. We should draw two levels because we can draw we can find an area with two lines only, not with single line. Okay. So this is a strong level. Okay. A closing point. Okay. This is a strong level. Mostly the market is respecting this level from this is 30th, means from past 7 days. I think past 10 days. I think. Right. This is 9/2, past 1 month. The market is respecting this level past 1 month. So we can trust this level. It will help you to trade in the future too. Once if you draw a strong level like this, draw it and leave it. You can draw on this level in the future too. Okay, this is one method to draw a strong level. And I will show you how to draw the strong level with another method. Okay, this is one method to draw a strong level. You should go in the past history near to this price bar, and you need to draw some levels, some strong levels. Like here the market is, there are some strong reversal point here and here also, and here also there is a reversal point. Okay, this closing point and this closing point. Okay, now it is clear. Okay, so we need to see in the past history first near to this price bar. Okay, there is a level. Okay, here also it is respecting. Okay, it is respecting. Here also it reversed. A low value market. So draw a level in the past history or present history and check the level first. If the level is strong, if the market is respecting that level mostly like this, then you can trust that level. You can trade on that level in the future too, not in the present, in the future too. This is a low value market, that's why we are seeing so much gap here. Always draw the level like this. Let I will adjust the level. Okay, this level. Okay, so draw a level and check if the level is working or not. Check with past history, then you will come to know which level is strong. Draw 1 or 2 levels or 3 levels or 5 levels and check those levels. If you confirm one level is a strong level, then draw it and leave it. It will help you in the future. You can trade on that level in the future too. Yeah, mostly the market will respect that level. And this is one method to draw a strong level, and I will show you the second method. Okay, if you want to draw a strong level, you can draw the strong level with Fibonacci tool. If you want to draw the Fibonacci lines, always select higher high to lower low. Okay, this is higher high to lower low in downtrend. If you want to draw a Fibonacci tool in downtrend, always select higher high to lower low. This is higher high and lower low. And you can select this lower low too. It's not a matter. Higher high and lower low, and higher high and lower low. If you want to draw the Fibonacci tool in the uptrend, in this uptrend like this, always select lower low to higher high like this. Always select lower low to higher high in uptrend. Always select higher high to lower low in downtrend. Okay, draw a Fibonacci tool, then you will get some levels here. Okay, these 6 lines. These 6 lines are a SNR levels. These are the SNR levels. but we don't know which level is working mostly. We can't trust all levels, right? I already told you we can't trust all levels. We can trust only few levels, like a strong level. And these are the SNR levels, but we can't trust all these levels. We can trust only few levels, and I will show you here. So here there is a level reversed. Here also it reversed. Then reverse, it reversed, reversal. Here also there is a reversal here. Okay. There are some reversal points at the 61.8 level, and at the 50th level we have only one, I think only one or two, three levels, two reversal point only. And if you see this 38.2 level, it reversed, reversed, reversed. No, it reversed. Okay, it is also respecting, but here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mostly the market is respecting this level. Okay, I will draw a line here, 23.6, and another line at 38.2. These two levels. Okay, these two levels. I will explain tomorrow, Mark. Don't worry. I will explain everything. Okay, these two levels, this level and this level. Okay, we need to draw this level clearly. Okay, and this one and the closing point. Okay, here also. Okay, good. Okay, a fake breakout. So there is a level here, and here the closing point. And the closing point. Okay, a reversal, breakout, reversal, breakout, reversal, reversal. This is also a level, but we don't know how strong the level is first. So we need to check this level in the past study, and I think there is another level. This level, the 50th level. So we should check this level also. This level also. Okay, there is a level, I think. This level, I will change the color. Okay,
Hello.
so there are some levels. Yes, ask me.
సార్ ఒక డౌట్. హలో,
Yes,
ఇక్కడ లెవెల్ వచ్చేసి మనం తీసుకుంటాం కదా, అంటే క్యాండిల్ విక్ లో తీసుకోవాలనా? హలో,
ask me in English.
ఓకే ఓకే. వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ లెవెల్స్ నో. హలో,
Yes,
డూ యూ నీడ్ టు టేక్ ది లెవెల్ అట్ క్యాండిల్ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఆర్ అట్ ది విక్ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్?
anything, it's your wish. There is no difference. Yeah, you can draw the closing points. Actually, I am drawing here a closing points only, right?
యా.
Have you observed? I am drawing here only a closing points only. Okay. If you draw these closing points, it will cover the wicks also, right? I have drawn this closing point, and I have drawn this closing point, right? And it covered this entire level, right? It covered this wick also. We don't need to draw specifically a wick. Okay, if you draw the closing points, it will cover the wicks also. Okay.
ఓకే
Clear?
ఓకే.
Okay, there is a level here, the 50th level, this level, and here also there is a level. So we need to check this level in the partial study. After drawing a strong level with the help of Fibonacci tool, we need to see in the partial study. I think here. Okay, this level. Okay, this is high value market. Okay, no problem. Okay, here the market is respecting here also. Okay, I will adjust this level to this level to this level. Okay, here also the market is respecting, but not every time. Okay, here,
Sir, 1 minute, 1 minute. Can you please move the graph towards left?
yes,
Yeah, here only. What about this level, sir? What about this? Because
level,
it is also respected 3 times, I think, this level.
yes,
I can also take that level also as a support level. Can I take it?
we are checking only these levels, right?
Excuse me, sir. Would you kindly repeat it? My internet connection is kind of rough, so I missed that levels.
So just wait, I will repeat. Okay, if you want to draw a strong level, you need to go in the past history near to this price bar, or you can draw a Fibonacci levels. Okay, I will draw a Fibonacci tool here from higher high to lower low like this. Okay, if you draw a Fibonacci tool, you will see some levels here. These blue lines, these are the Fibonacci lines. Is nothing but SNR levels. Okay, there is a level the market is respecting, and here also there is a level the market is respecting. Here also there is a level the market is respecting, and here also. So in these levels, if you observe the past history here, this level, there is a level near to this 58th point. Then there is a level, and here also 23.6 level. Okay, these two levels mostly the market is respecting within these 6 lines. Okay, let us check these two levels first. If the levels are strong levels, we can trust, or again we can change the Fibonacci tool. Okay, I have drawn these two lines. Now we are seeing the entire level is a SNR level, right? The entire level is a SNR level. The market is respecting this level mostly, and here also the market is respecting this level. Okay, here also the market is respecting this level. Okay, this whole area is a SNR level now, and this one also. So we need to check these levels in the past history too. If the levels will work in the past history too, then we can trust. Or if it does not work, we can't trust. Okay, here you can see it reversed near to this level, and here also there is a reversal, perfect reversal. Here also the market is respecting a fake breakout here.
Hello,
Yes,
sir. What are the most favorable method which is drawn quote and distance line?
I didn't get most.
Most favorable, the most successful method.
Successful method.
Fibonacci tool or manually draw quote and distance.
For sure, there is no difference. If you want to draw manually, you can draw. If you can't draw manually, if you can't draw manually, to draw manually it will take some time, right? But the Fibonacci tool is save your time. If you want to draw a strong level, you can draw with Fibonacci tool too. Yeah, there is no difference.
Fibonacci tool.
Yes,
Sir, this is the thing I am observing. You are drawing the Fibonacci tool, but for how long period? Means the candle is running from how far we have to draw the Fibonacci tools. The market right now, if in current market, from which point we have to draw the Fibonacci tool?
okay, there is a level, right? If you want to draw the Fibonacci tool in this trend, you can draw from this level to this level. Okay. If you want to draw this Fibonacci tool in this downtrend, the higher high and the lower low like this. Clear?
Okay, sir. Regarding to the current market.
Yes, it's your wish. You can draw the Fibonacci tool from here to here too. There is no difference.
No, the question is, sir, how long means the market is running? What is the current point? If you can see the current point, where the market is right now. Okay, now here, from which point we have to draw? I just entered in the market, so where I have to put my higher high and my lower low?
You have lower low and higher high only here, right? There is no lower low here because we can't take this point as a lower low, right?
Okay, sir.
We have only this level to draw, right?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, here this level mostly the market is respecting. I think no problem. I'll draw this level, right? Okay. So after drawing with Fibonacci tool, you need to go with the past history and you need to check that levels. If the market is respecting, you can trust it. If the market is not respecting, you can't trust that levels. Okay. So here, okay, it reversed. Here also it reversed. Take breakout, reversal here also. Here also reversal. I will adjust the level because this is a low value market. Okay, a closing points. All closing points here also. Okay, reversed. Here also it reversed. Take breakout, reversal. So many reversals. Here also. Okay, there are so many reversals on this level only. There is a level here, but don't reverse. There is no fake breakout too. Okay, reversal. Okay, no reversal. So the above level is working as a strong level. So we can trust that level mostly. So the above level is only. Okay, I'm going to remove these levels and I'm going to adjust the level. Okay, this level. The level is a strong level here. We can trust this level only because the market is respecting this level mostly. We are seeing so many reversals from this level. So we can trade on this level confidently because the market is respecting mostly this level. The candle closed at the level, reversed, candle closed, it reversed. Right? If the candle closed at the level, it is reversing mostly. If the market break the level, we can't decide. But whenever the market closed at the level, the market is respecting this level mostly. So we can trust this level. If the market comes to this level, we can place our trade. In these 6 levels, we have only one level. The level is a 50th level. The level is a 50th level. We can trust this level only. We can't trust all levels. These all are SNR levels, but we can't trust all levels. We can trust only this level. And we can trust only this level. If you draw a strong level, draw it and leave it, it will help you to trade in the future too. Okay, this is the 2 ways to draw a strong level. This way you can draw a strong levels. The topic is how to draw the strong levels today. And tomorrow I will explain how to trade on these strong levels. The today topic is only how to trade, how to draw the strong levels. If you have any questions on these topics now, you can ask me. I will clarify those.
Yes, sir. I have one question.
Yes, ask me.
Sir, why are you drawing 2 lines? One line is body and one line is wick.
I didn't get it. Can you
One
speak
line,
loudly?
one line belongs to body and one line to wing belongs to wing. These two lines parallel to each
Yes,
other.
yes, we can draw. We can draw like this too. We can draw like this too. It's not a problem. But if you draw the level here like this, sometimes it is respected, sometimes it is not respected, right? But if you draw the level like this, here the market is reversing, and here also there is a level, right? Here also there is a level. Okay, if you draw like this, then we will come to know the market is respecting this level, right?
Hello, sir.
Mostly, right?
Hello.
That's why I heard wrong. Yes,
Hello.
yes.
Sir,
ma'am.
if previously the level is not either not to the price bar, how can we draw this?
Okay, I have shown you how to draw the strong level. It's Fibonacci tool.
Example going up continuously upward or downward.
1 minute, I will change the pair and draw. Okay, here there is a level, right? Price bar.
Yes, sir.
If you go with the past history, so I will draw here. So there is a level, right?
Yes, sir.
So I will draw 1 minute. Here also there is a level. Okay.
Sir, I'm asking
Yes.
if not a level in the past history. Example.
No, it will always in the past history, definitely.
Okay, sir.
You need to go with past history. 1 minute, I will show. If there is no past history near to this price bar, you should go more past, like 2 days, 3 days, 1 month, 2 months, 4
Okay,
months,
sir.
like this, like this.
Okay, got it.
Clear?
I got it, sir.
So if you don't want to draw more past history or more past history, like 1 month, 2 months, then change the pair. You have so many pairs, right? You have so many pairs. You no need to waste it, right? You have so many opportunities, so many pairs. You can draw many pairs, right?
Okay, sir.
You can change the pairs, right?
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So once if you draw the level, draw it and leave it, it will help you in the future too. Okay, do you have any questions?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can we draw lines sir, like this diagonally? Like I can show you. I don't know how to draw this.
You have annotation option to draw.
Where, sir?
You have annotation option to draw.
Yeah,
Bottom of your
annotation,
screen.
annotate, and
Yes, annotate.
and then what, sir? Okay, sir, like this. Can I draw a level like this?
Okay. Yes, you can draw like this also.
Sir, what is the percentage this level will work?
I will explain on this topic on the third class. Okay.
Okay.
I am explaining only the horizontal lines. Okay. I will explain those topics also. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If you have any questions on this topic, you can ask. Okay.
Sir,
Piyush.
if we have any question regarding that, we will try that, and we have any question, we will have to discuss here or on the group.
You can discuss on group and you can ask me too. Okay. If you have any questions, you can ask me too. I will explain in the next session. Okay. If you get any doubts.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. And after post also, I will give you support. So don't worry. Okay. And Piyush,
Thank
I have seen in your videos you trade very fast. You are using these levels from the past, and we are still going. Yes, I will use these levels in my videos also. You have to watch again. Then I will come to know. Okay, I will use these levels, and I explained so many times about strong levels in my videos also. Watch again, then you will come to know. Okay. Yes, do you have any questions? Okay, try to draw the strong levels. For the first time we can't draw, practice it, and again I will explain the same topic tomorrow, and I will explain how to trade on the strong levels too. So you need to see the strong levels every time, because we can trust only the strong levels. We can't trust this level, and this level. You can see it break this level, it break this level. Sometimes it will break, sometimes it, after breakout also, sometimes it will reverse, sometimes it doesn't respect. But at the strong levels, we can expect a reversal. If the market is at the strong levels, it means there is a chance to reverse the market. If you know the reversal point, then you can go against the trend. If there is no reversal point, you can go with the trend. So if you want to go against the trend, if you want to know the reversal point in the market, you need to know the strong levels. That's why I'm explaining this point, the strong SNR level. Try to draw the strong SNR level on the demo account. If you get any doubts, then contact me. And if you want to discuss, we have a group, Telegram group, to discuss every point. And if you get any doubts, any questions, you can contact me. I will explain your doubts in the next session. Okay, do you have any questions? You can ask me now. Is there anyone to ask me a question?
Sir, there is a kind of problem when regarding we are having on a class on Zoom, that when you scroll the screen, it's too much fast, so we can not able to see the reversal and the points you have mentioned.
Okay, not now. I will try to install. First, I need to check the software first.
No, it's not.
Where are some?
It's not the issue of software. You install too much fast.
Okay. I will try. Where are you from?
I'm from Pakistan, sir.
Pakistan. Okay, don't worry. I will provide you recorded classes after trying session. No need to worry for revision. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, welcome. Okay, practice it. If you get any doubts, then contact me. Okay. I'm going to close this here. Bye everyone. Good night everyone.
Good night, sir.
Bye. Good night.
Right.
Good night.
Thanks, sir.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Right, sir.